What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about two things that you absolutely need if you're going to try and start streaming in 2020. So if you think about it, what are the two most common things that every streamer has and every streamer really needs at this point to have a base level stream? I'll give you a second. Go ahead. You need a microphone and a camera. So now I'm not going to tell you to go out and buy a DSLR or, any kind of Canon camera that you can stream with, like the M200, which is what I'm recording this video on right here. You can achieve fairly high quality on your stream with a cheap webcam and a $100 microphone. So the two items I'm going to show you guys here today are none other than, let me get it, the Blue Yeti Nano, which is honestly one of my favorite USB condenser microphones. This thing is nice and small. It's pretty. Take a look. Focus in. This thing is beautiful, dude. It's a beautiful microphone. It's little, sits right on your desk, very small, and the quality out of this thing for the price at $100 is stunning. It's actually beautiful, and I love this microphone. I don't use USB condenser mics anymore, but if I needed to, it would be this one. And the camera that I want to show you guys is none other than the infamous Logitech C920 Pro HD webcam. This webcam is insanely popular. It came out like 8 years ago, and for some reason, this is the gold standard when it comes to webcams. No other camera comes close to it in this price range. This camera is only $50. So if you add these two together, you have a $100 microphone and a $50 camera, you have yourself a pretty professional looking stream. The camera looks great even with low light, but if you add a little bit of lighting to it, like I'm going to show you guys here in a minute, I'm going to plug in the camera and show you what it looks like in standard light, and then if you have a little bit of studio lighting, you can get some cheap, $15 ring lights on Amazon. It will enhance the quality of the video from this camera for literally no money at all. I mean, it's so cheap and it would look so good. But to try and get into streaming without a decent microphone and no face cam at this stage of the game, you might as well not even try. But anyways, I don't want to waste you guys' time, so I'm going to hook these things up and we are going to see what they sound and look like. Also, I just want to throw this in for you guys here. I think I'm going to just give away this camera to a lucky viewer of this video. So this camera right here, it's completely unopened. I do have another one that is open that I will be testing. This one is sealed, completely sealed and unopened. I'm going to give it away to one of you guys because I am nearing 4,000 subscribers and I feel like I need to give something back to you guys. So if you don't have a webcam and you want to enter the giveaway, all you're going to have to do is like this video, comment on the video, and be a subscriber of the channel. You do have to follow me on Twitter, though, and make sure your DMs are open so that if you do win, I can DM you and we can figure out how I'm going to get you the camera. So someone's going to get this camera. Good luck to all of you. Not much. It's only $50, but hey, I'm giving it to someone. So one of you is going to get real lucky. But anyways, let's go. Let's dive in. All right, guys, so right now I have basically no light, a very, very low light situation. So a lot of people will be streaming in dark rooms and they don't have studio lighting set up or anything like that. So this is my current camera that I was just filming the intro to this video with. This is the Canon M200. This is a $400 mirrorless camera. So let's compare this right now to the $50 Logitech C920. So right here, we have a side-by-side. On the left here, this is the Canon M200, and on the right, we have the Logitech C920. Now, if you look at this camera right now, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad for low light at all. I mean, it looks really good. I'm looking at it as well, and the field of view is, on this camera, I think it's like a 70. So the field of view on the C920 is 78 degrees. So you're seeing a little bit less of an angle here, but the coloring is what we're really looking at here and what we really care about. So we have no light going on right now. Obviously the Canon looks better. It's a $400 camera, but this for a $50 webcam, this is more than enough to start your stream. And realistically, I have this box a little bit bigger than you would have it on your stream anyway. So it looks pretty good in my opinion. This is why this is the best webcam in this price range. I mean, the next one up will be the Logitech Brio. Gets a little bit more light, so the coloring is a little bit better, and it has a wider field of view. But anyway, I'm going to turn on some of my studio lighting now and see if that enhances it, and let's see what it looks like. Give me 1 second. All right, so I turned on my key light right now. So obviously you can see both videos look a lot clearer. The thing with the C920 is we can actually mess with the settings of the camera via the control panel. So I'm going to open it up right now. And we're going to take a look at what we can change here. So we can change the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the sharpness. I'm going to lower the saturation just a tad. We're at 133 saturation. I think that looks pretty good. The white balance is a little off. We're going to try and balance that out a little bit better. That looks so good, man. Go even lower. We get a little too washed out. So I'm going to keep the white balance at around 6,000 right there. And saturation will mess with a little bit more. We go a little bit more saturated. I think that looks great right there. 156 saturation and 6020 white balance. Like, the difference here, obviously, there is a difference because we're looking at two extremely different cameras when it comes to price range. But look on the left at the Canon, look on the right at the Logitech C920. This is a $50 webcam. This is a $400 camera. This is more than you need to start your stream. So my suggestion is get yourself a C920 for 50 bucks on Amazon. It is very good for the price, and it's definitely worth it if you're going to start streaming. And don't forget, you can enter the giveaway. I am giving away a C920 right here on this video. So all you have to do to enter that is like this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment telling me anything or asking me any question that you possibly have. I will answer them as fast as I can. But anyway, that's how you enter the giveaway. And if you do enter the giveaway, you might want to follow me on Twitter and turn on your DMs so that I can message you if you do win. But anyways, moving on, let's hook up the Yeti Nano and see what that sounds like. Alright guys, so right now you're hearing me through the Yeti Nano. So one of the special things about this microphone is that it does feature a cardioid polar pattern, meaning that the microphone can be picking up sound directly in a cone in front of it to decrease the sound coming from the sides and the back. This also makes your voice sound a lot better and more full. So to switch that setting on, it's right here on the back of the microphone. You have that little button. It's going to be the heart-shaped icon. That's what you want to set it on to make it be picking up from the front of the microphone and not from everywhere. You always want to have that when you're doing anything with vocals, streaming, recording videos, music, anything like that. You're always going to want to be using a cardioid polar pattern. So this is your test. I wanted you guys to hear what this microphone sounds like for 100 bucks. This is without a wind filter on it or a pop filter or anything. Let me put a pop filter on it for you. So I have this special pop filter that I purchased on Amazon, I think for like $6, that was made for the Yeti Nano. So it just kind of takes out some of the plosives and the S-ing in your voice. So this is what the Blue Yeti Nano sounds like at a $100 price point. I 100% recommend this microphone for anyone beginning a stream. It's easy. I just plug it in and it works. This is with no EQ or post-processing whatsoever. I think it sounds pretty good, so let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. If you've ever used a Blue Yeti Nano or a regular Blue Yeti, let me know down in the comments below how you like this microphone or what you think this sounds like compared to my Shure SM7B. I'll do a quick comparison for you guys so that you can hear the difference, bringing my microphone down to this level. So right now you are listening to the Blue Yeti Nano. Right now you are listening to the Shure SM7B. It's really hot in my room and I want to go to sleep. It's really hot in my room and I want to go to sleep. So there you have it, guys. That's what the two microphones sound like. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a comparison there. But yeah, I totally recommend the Blue Yeti Nano. Beautiful microphone for 100 bucks. And for the webcam, Logitech C920, it's $50. Like, you can't go wrong. 150 bucks and your stream is up and running and it will look beautiful. If you want to get a little bit more creative and purchase a ring light, you can get those on Amazon for like under $20 as well. Add some lighting, which makes your camera perform better. But anyways, guys, that's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful, even a little bit. But if you did, don't forget to throw it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I will link the Blue Yeti Nano and the Logitech C920 down below if you want to purchase them on Amazon using my affiliate links. And if you guys want to hang out or ask me any questions live, you can drop by my Twitch channel and drop me a follow on there. I do stream weeknights around 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that someone who really deserves it wins this giveaway for the Logitech C920. I feel like I do have to give you guys something because I'm about to hit 4K subs and it's pretty awesome. But anyways, guys, I want you to keep your hammers up in the air, and I'll see you next time.